Nigerian TV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as they happen and as they hot.
As advertising your honest and good intention. In the light of the above, we sincerely appeal to you to prevail on the Commissioner for the Local Government Chief Affairs and very senior officials in the ministry to give effect to your approval and direct him without further delay. Yes. The Bilo market, Your Excellency, we are inside the Bilo market now. And how I wish you had the time to go through the market. Now, the market, which is the economic hub and epicenter of the family nation, where the livelihood of our people revolves for over a century, has never received any major facelift by successful administration. People convert from all parts of the country every 4 days for commercial activities. The Bilo family is a major gateway to Edo State and requires everyday commercial activities. Opalo therefore urge you to upgrade and expand the facilities in the market to include industrial borehole, underground drainages, roads, standard shops, and toilets for the market. Security challenges in our nation. The nation has experienced great security challenges in the areas of kidnapping, armed banditry, and header farmers clashing. It was this parallel state of insecurity that culminated in the formation of a family vigilante in November 2018 to curtail and mitigate the activity of these men of the underworld in Akoko Edo LG. Commuters abandoned Ibilo Igara Road, Langbese Okene and Bekuma Asoso Road for fear of being kidnapped or robbed. Thankfully, a family vigilante rose to the challenge to defeat this incident. While we have made some tremendous gains, like operational vehicles, stipends for the boys, operational costs, the nation will appreciate if Your Excellency can make commitment to boost the morale of our officers and men. We can go on and on, but we don't want to be accused of suffering from persecution complex. Our roads are impassable. Some communities like Ikiranile, Odre, and Afe have already been cut off from the rest of the world as a result of collapse of their bridges. Our healthcare facilities are in terrible shapes, as the only government hospital in Ibilo has 2 nurses. And poverty and unequity fairness, we humbly plead that some of the challenges we raise can be resolved administratively and by proclamation. As crisscross the length and breadth of Edo State, soliciting for support for your re-election bid, it is our hope and prayer and speak for you wherever you go. We wish you Godspeed and journey mercies back to your destination. Please kindly accept the assurance of our highest regards and patriotism. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Make a clap for Doctor. While Doctor is moving towards His Excellency to present the speech to him, the Okameri nation wants to show appreciation to His Excellency and his deputy by presenting a special Okameri attire to the governor and his deputy. Meanwhile, my camera eyes have sighted the LGA chairman, Don Umoru. God bless you. God bless you, thank you. My camera eyes have also picked the party chairman head Prince Ogunubi. God bless you. Bayo Ogedegbe Pastor, I can see you, God bless you. Lawani, God bless you. Mr. Arogoyo, you are going to carry that special assignment. Move towards His Excellency. No, just perform it, please. Thank you, Mr. Arogoyo. Thank you to the family nation, an appreciative nation. Thank you. I want to especially appreciate the musician who has been dishing out very melodious, wonderful melodious sound this afternoon. Dr. Kundaya, on behalf of your family nation, presenting this special attire of love, of appreciation to His Excellency Governor Godwin Nogase of Basaki. Thank you, family nation. When you say thank you to somebody, the person will do more. You have told His Excellency thank you. I can say on behalf of His Excellency that he will do more. Thank you, family nation. Thank you. From here, I'd like to invite the chairman of the campaign council, whilst the family nation is showing appreciation to the excellencies for the good work they have already done. But like the liberties, they want more. Mans, wants, and needs are insatiable to continue to seek more. May I say that I especially acknowledge the presence of the DG of the campaign, Engineer Gide Hine, and my eyes have picked the proud son of Africa, the only Ray, High Chief, Raymond, Aliego, Tupesi. Welcome, sir. And of course, I can see the boss himself. God bless you. The cool one is here. Now he will talk to you like an authentic Oduma. PDP, part of the people, part of the youth, part of the women. I greet the good people of a family nation. Today is our second day in Akoko Edo local government area. Yesterday we were in 5 wards. Today, this is the second ward we are visiting in Akoko Edo local government. I took pains to listen to the welcome address presented by Doctor on behalf of the good people of this world. From what I've seen since yesterday, in the course of our visit, and even today, listening to this address alone, you will agree with me that the solutions to Edo State problems cannot be addressed with simple agenda. You know the problems we are facing today are spillover problems inherited by the governor from previous administration. But so far, so good. He has shown clearly that he understands the problems we are facing as a state, and he has good solutions to these problems. But like I said, no simple agenda can address the problems in Edo State today. So thank Pastor that about 4 years ago, I took pains to read the simple agenda. That same paper is what is bringing now. In the last election, Edo people rejected the simple agenda as a document that can resolve our problems. Representing same paper, we are going to reject that agenda again. So, let us embrace the good work of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Where I was listening to the address presented by the community, one thing came out clearly. He was lamenting the state of roads, not just in this community, but in Akoko Edo as a local government. I agree with him completely. And I will tell you why. There must be spread in development. The number of roads constructed by Sociomoli in Iyalo, if you have spread that by giving two roads to every community, you will not complain today. He was giving roads to farms, to village streets. Why the people of this community and other communities have been neglected? I've had a chat with the governor before coming up here, and I said, what you have done here today is to drive home the point that government must spread in extending development to all parts of our state. We have a listening governor. We have a governor who is ready to work for the people of this state. And I believe he has taken to heart all that you have said here today. For me, let me just talk about what is going on in Edo North. When Colonel Akogo was the leader of the House, he ensured that all the federal roads were attended to by the then federal government. Today, you have another son who is in Abuja, having a similar position, if not even bigger. But he has not been able to address the problems of roads. Federal roads. I'm not talking about state roads. Federal roads. The records are there. We can recall all the good things when he was in the house. Today, those who are still in APC are those who are only thinking about themselves, their pocket, and not the people. That is why we have come with Governor Basaki, who have decided to pitch his camp with the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria, because he believes that government belongs to the people. So, our message is simple. If you want development in Edo State, support Godwin Obaseki. For development, Godwin Obaseki. Don't defend Godwin Obaseki. For development, for good schools, for good roads, for youth, for sports development. And I believe when you support it, he will continue the good work. Let me now invite his able and very supportive Deputy Governor, Comrade Philip Shagu. When I want to prepare them. Here, when I want to prepare them. What's up here? When I want to prepare them. You sure? You want to prepare them? Oh yeah, there's some of you prepare them. When I now say prepare them like this. How? Like this. With our PDC. Here, what do you take prepare them? How do they take both and say? Because you, from where you put that? From where? Umbrella. So when you put that from umbrella, what's your food? You have to tell them what I come for myself. This time you go, when I want to tell them, how do I take to tell them? I told you. How? Which one? This hand or this hand? This one. And when you go to the phone, now I need to prepare them. How do they prepare them? Thank you very much. PDP. I want to thank you now. The last time we come here, 2016, when we come here, when I know it's careful, they call the fight, right? Apart from that one, Commissioner don't come down. Apart from that one, we come here, some people wear black. You know the people wear black? Yes, pensioner, pensioner do it, they wear black. Today, which color are they wearing? White.
White and white.
That I don't want to clap for myself. That means they follow things. When they follow things. Today, now white they wear. Why? Because that time, they hold them. Then they pay them. They go travel from here, go Benin. They go stay many weeks. They don't pay them. Oh, some will die. You see? They die for them. Some die for them. It's time. Today, now like that TV again. I don't want to clap for our government. I want to clap for our government. Youth, they here. Chairman, they know they here. They here. Then the last one I want to talk, Chairman will give me a chance before I go no come. They say I dey talk to my papa anyhow. I say no. Now wetin my papa talk, na where I dey support. And I start to dey wear khaki, I no wan wear safari. When I don hear am, wetin he talk? The time wey he dey wear khaki, no be now wey he dey wear safari o. Abeg, when I don't hear them, oh yeah, very clear. But I don't know my papa.
By the special grace of God, who read the heart, who knows the heart of man, who knows the past and the future, who knows the beginning and the end. He sees what we don't see. He knows what we don't know. He knows that God will. He comes from a large family in the kingdom. He went to school. He finished his secondary school. He went to the University of Ibadan. He finished. There were no issues. Flying colors. He went to US. He did his masters. He came back home. He started helping people to set their businesses and many banks, including several first generation and second generation banks. Godwin has worked for 7.5 years for the people of Edo State, using his brain, using his creativity, quietly, not making noise, not appearing Edo. He sits in the office of the economic team, which he built using his network of friends inside the heart of government house without demanding 1 naira. So everything we have done, the road from Amra to Zenema, Godwin has had. The road from here to Umoha, Godwin has had. The school here, Godwin has had. The water everywhere, Godwin has had. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. You have to look at Godwin and his credentials. And you look at a man who's only worked by his own CV. Students, I was rusticated for 2 years. Then after my father, who was also he paid, they allowed me to go to part exam. However, my papa could not beg them in Lagos to admit me to Nigerian law school. And that is why, although I read law, I am not a barrister. That is his foundation. Student accomplishment. Community service, 0. Where did you score? I bathed a child with acid. That is your student credential. Is that the man who wants to cover you?
No!
Loser! 700 million. You are a loser! 700 million.
You are a loser!
Here this is waiting
For you!
One more time. 700 million.
You are a loser! You are a loser! You are a loser!
Here this is waiting for you.
Now! Una don hear say Igbo and Dansosomale in the campaign say our governor na he be the best man for this job. So we must vote and re-elect him to continue this work. Now the deputy governor he go tell una something about now this honorable member. PDP here. I want to tell you about this one. When the time that they vote for Honorable Yekini Agbaje, Ebiaye, una tell am go collect 40 million. What is the name you present to now? Make I tell you now. Osomole yesterday give am 40 million make he go support pastor. Yesterday he collect 40 million. He dey go dey support pastor. Una hear am just now. What did Osomole say pastor be? He say pastor na wetin? Pastor say na wetin? Una festival una vote. He don go collect 40 million from Adams Osomole make he take support pastor. Una send a message. Here, I never hear una from here. Una send a message. So when he come, Mona ask her say the 40 million wey he collect from Adams Osomole. What una wan make you take am do? Make you return am. Make you return am. So I don't put my mouth for hand again. Because when you do that, I want to. So make me stand there. I want to my plan. Me I tell you I want to my plan. On September 19, what is happen that day? Election I did. Una go use na PVC take there. Una use na PVC take wetin? To show the world say una no send that message. Because our governor, he asked me when I go dey hear am I call am. I say, see, me I don get that house before. with the messenger. When they don't vote for us with the messenger, we'll carry message, one at talk.
DJ TV.
I carry and go and Benin, what you Benin answer, I will contact now. Not what you vote and for that. He can't say, okay, he will go there again. Make I tell governor, make him give am $100,000. He say, me I tell governor, may I give am $100,000. Say the other people don't promise us. Now I tell am say, our governor no dey share our money. He say, governor no wan share our money, he will go collect money for that side. From Oshomole. Una know how much they don give am? 40 million. Oshomole. Ole. Oshomole. Ole. As former chairman of APC, he fit get 40 million. So we don talk say make President Buhari, as he dey take ask Magu question now, make he ask am where he get that 40 million wey he dey share. Una agree? Una agree? God go bless una. Now I don receive message say with wetin dem dey see here today, dem no go like make governor comot here until dem
election. And therefore, today everybody know say if I dey fight my own, I for don even get jet. Abi, no be so? But I always be fighting for women because no matter how ugly our breast is, we go dey for line. For months. I mean, not be so. If they are belly, we go. In fact, we go make sure they start this back. Say because of our tomorrow, I mean, our children. Okay, I beg we don't come. Let me know say women, you go put all of us for better place. I know the talk of myself. I beg women, make their day better place. I go follow Uno road, oh. I go follow Uno road, oh. Obaseki, I will follow Uno road, oh. Finish Igbo, I go follow Uno road, oh. It don't reach there. We go to talk the remaining one another day.
It don't take when they waka since yesterday, but we never see this kind of thing like what we dey see for here. I want praise now. I want thank you now. So now we can invite the action governor to come talk to the people. the people. Power to the people. I don't know where to start. Because I don't really believe say this is my world rally. 4 years ago, when I come here, I there now the stage. And the crowd, when I see, because there are 4 or 5 words, when I see, in order to money for one word today. I don't know where to start, but I will make this one short. Because what I hear today, that speech, when that leader, when the doctor make, he don't tell me everything what I need to know. He don't tell me everything I need to do. So when I don't throw the challenge to me, I know the fear challenge. When I don't tell me, say, one of the biggest markets for this country, when I need help, when I need that I work with you and make a planner well, I'm a businessman, I'm here now. Let's go now, me, local government, we will repair this market before I go. When I don't tell me, say the township road for this place no good. I don't do township roads for another town for this Akoko Edo. Not so. If I do for there, why not you do for here? So do I. I know they lie, oh. What do you not do? I know they talk am, oh. Because they're not forced me to talk. But I tell you, say the highest educational center for this area, when I approve, they never do it, even though I don't build the school. I promise you now. Even before September 19th, that school must start. Because now you know why I said make them come repair the place, make them move that school. So it must happen because I don't approve them already. Everybody when they sit on top of them, I will remove the person for that school. When we do the market, we go to the park, join them. We are not there back. We are not there back. Everybody want to work for Nigeria, and then they come. How did they bring the money come? Okay. That one, I not say I not get bank on my own. I will go sit down with the banks when they work with us. Let me see how we become Lord, put one branch for the bureau. You know, the reason why the banks not been come before. Because of armed robbery. And I remember, so we will give them more security. When I see some, say I don't give with an armed president area, the one when police they use. We'll go buy another one journal so that we'll see put back for here. You know, for me, as a businessman, the future, when they create, now for people when they do business, government also give everybody work. You see it? Now, but for that they help myself when they trade, when they do business. What if government will do that will support you now, make our business will grow. That's my role, and I go do it.
we not fit do everything in 4 years. But if we put plan in place to say this year we go do this year we go do that, until we complete wetin we wan do. We no go do am finish one day, but government no dey think like that before. Because when the money come, we say make we share the money. So that be the fight today. When we say the money wey we get, the money wey we put for inside government, make we use am do so more for the people. And because of that, I dey fight me. I dey say make I no come back. But PDP, PDP don't give the umbrella to cover me. And what I see here today, just one word was 4. I know say now around 10,644 PVC. I gave this word. I don't check it. But the last election, only 4,500 that come out. This time, una must not give me not less than 7,000 of those 10,000. So, una will go store to store, house to house. Make sure everybody bring PVC. So that when una vote September 19, nobody go dey in doubt. Say, we are solidly behind this government. And that one will give me the strength to go wherever I feel go, to go get the money that I take work for now. When I hear, before I go, I get one last message. I want to say, when I come back, or when I do this work, when I come back here, I want to still see all of una. I want to still see all of una. Because una safety, now my major worry. But e no be like say una know say this thing when they call COVID-19 today. This one when I wear, not be fashion o, not be fashion. Na to protect me and to protect you. If una as you come like this, we dey this place. If one person gets this COVID, e dey air, they repeat am for air, they stop it, you touch am. If one person gets, and una dey close like this, and you no wear mask, the other person go catch am. No be say when you catch am, you go die. Many young people, many women, when they get am, you know they worry them, they don't like cold. But for people who are not well before, for people who are old, it still affects them well. So when we wear this mask, now to protect other people, even if it's not to protect yourself. If you get old person for house, I beg you, I'm gonna beg you, open and wear face mask. So that you don't know if you not go affect the person when you know when they house with you. So before I go, I want to assure that, say, this election of September 19, it's not hard. Now, let's not decide between evil and good. We won't go back to where we come from, or we won't go forward. If we won't go forward, PDP. If you want to go back, those other people. When I hear, so I beg una, September 19, no gonna come out. Una don't worry. They shout, they talk, say they go bring boys. They'll come do, they'll stop people. They go bring boys, come stop una. They bring boys out here. Una go vote. Una go count una vote. Una go take the vote to collection center. When they announce, una go take the picture, go put am for internet. They say they want to bring another voter card. Oh, they say they want to bring the voter card. When I leave them, I'm out the gate. Anybody will cross enter our state that day. We don't know each other for this world. We don't know each other. Any stranger going to see no that hold them down. Police will come, vigilante will come, will carry the go and that's where they come. That's what I'm not worried. PDP!
DJ LTV.